Sundays as a child were different. On all the other days of the week, you had your homework and you had your routine, but on Sunday, it was a little different. You had your homework, but you could choose to do it late. You had your routine, but you could choose to not follow it. Time slowed down in very different ways on Sundays as a child. I remember I used to wake up late. Okay, maybe not that late, but I used to wake up late and I used to have my breakfast and I used to plonk myself in front of the television to watch Mad on Pogo. I used to watch Rob teach you how to make some art and craft, and then I used to run down the stairs to the building to play with all my friends. I used to play till late afternoon, and then I used to come home to the smell of some amazing Sunday home food. But of all the amazing things that happened on Sundays, there was something really special which happened on Sunday afternoon. Now, we'd subscribe to the local television, local cable TV. And on every Sunday at around 1 p.m., they would play a very new Bollywood film. The entire family would gather in the hall in front of the living room to sit in front of the television. And about 1 p.m., the film would start. The best part would be you didn't know what was going to play, so it would be a surprise every Sunday afternoon. I remember watching some of the latest Bollywood films there, whether it was Mehuna, where I saw Shah Rukh do all those amazing stunts and action sequences. I'd be really amazed at it. I watched Bunty or Bubbly, where I saw Abhishek Bachchan and Rani Mukherjee con their way through the entire country. And I saw Salam Namaste, where I crooned to every single song that Saif and Preeti was singing. Until, well, there was this very, very awkward makeout scene between the both of them. And if you come from a middle class family, you know what happens between one of those scenes. Either you're looking at every piece of furniture in the house, or well, you're making small talk about the weather. But the fun fact would be that the entire building during that time would be sitting and watching those films. No one would be down. In the evenings, all my friends, we'd all gather around in the building and we'd discuss the movie. We talk about the action sequences, we talk about the dialogues, we talk about what happened during all the awkward moments. My mother often talks about her time when she used to sit in front of the television with her family. They never had a TV at home, so she and her brothers would often go to the neighbor's house and they would stand outside the window and peep into the house and watch TV from there. They had shows like Chaya Geet, which used to play music back then, and a show called Malgudi Days also. She talks about how times back then watching TV were very different. And sometimes I go back to that time as well and realize how eventually in time we all stopped sitting in front of the TV to watch films on that Sunday afternoon. We moved on to CDs. So we'd get these CDs and we put them in our CD players and we'd watch movies there. We then moved on to DVDs. So you'd get like 5 movies in one DVD, which you'd bring home and watch whenever you had the time. We moved on to our devices. We started downloading films from the internet, putting them into our mobile phones and watching them. And then we in time moved on to subscriptions, where it was all just a click of a button or a search box away, where you just type in the name, press play, fast forward to whatever you want. Often in times I realized we moved on from that whole idea of sitting together with our family and watching TV. How everyone used to come together for that those 2 or 3 hours in the afternoon every Sunday, sit in front of television and watch it all together. There would be no pause buttons, there would be no fast forwarding, there would be no reverse. So you had to make sure you finished all your work, put everything aside, and just sat and watched the film so that you didn't miss a single beat out of it. Sometimes I go back to that as a child, of what life was back then, how everyone would sit together, and how even for those 3 hours, everyone forgot every single thing that happened around them and just watched that film on TV. Now that I think of it, it was almost like a small movie theater at home. Maybe someday we'll go back to it again.